Welcome back to the channel. The clarifier, sometimes called a settlement tank, is a critical stage in a ship's sewage treatment plant, serving a purpose similar to a primary and secondary settling basin combined. Its main job is simple but vital: to separate the solid waste from the liquid wastewater. After the raw sewage is ground up and mixed with air in the aeration tank, a process that introduces beneficial bacteria to break down organic matter, the resulting mixed liquid needs a chance to settle before the treated effluent can be safely discharged into the sea. In the clarifier, the flow of wastewater is deliberately slowed down to almost a complete stop. This low-velocity environment allows the denser, heavier material, primarily the broken-down solid waste, known as sludge, to sink to the bottom of the tank due to gravity. At the same time, any lighter materials, grease, or foam may float to the surface. A proper clarifier design ensures that the water enters and leaves without creating turbulence, which would disrupt the settling process and mix the solids back into the liquid. The tank is usually funnel-shaped or has sloped sides that direct the settled sludge toward a collection point or hopper at the bottom. This accumulated sludge, which is now full of the active bacteria colonies necessary for treatment, is continuously or intermittently drawn off. Most of this sludge is recycled back into the aeration tank. This return is crucial because it keeps the microbial population, the activated sludge, high, ensuring the biological treatment process remains efficient and healthy. Without returning the sludge, the system would run out of the necessary bacteria and fail to properly treat the incoming sewage. Meanwhile, the clear liquid that remains at the top of the clarifier is called the supernatant or effluent. This liquid is drawn off over a weir or through skimmers and is considered the biologically treated water. However, it's not ready for discharge yet. The clarifier is the final biological separation step, but the effluent always proceeds to a final stage, the disinfection unit. Here, it is treated with chlorine or ultraviolet light to kill any remaining pathogens, ensuring it meets strict international discharge standards, particularly the standards set by the International Maritime Organization, or IMO, before being released harmlessly into the marine environment. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.